Example 2. Evaluate. Solution. The series in the numerator is an arithmetic series, as we can see that the difference is constant. The series in the denominator is also an arithmetic series. In this case, it is easier to evaluate the series for the denominator and the numerator separately. First, we will calculate the sum of the sequence in the denominator. Substituting the values of a, n, and l, Sn equals 2500. Thus, series in the denominator is evaluated to be 2500. Similarly, we can calculate the sum of the sequence given in the numerator. Substituting the values, we get, therefore, Sn equals 7500. Substituting the values of series obtained for numerator and denominator, we get. Thus, we have evaluated the given expression.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.